Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is keyboard actions. Keyboard actions are used when special keys like enter, tab, control, shift are required. Keyboard shortcuts are implemented. Form navigation depends on keyboard behavior. Normal send keys works for simple typing, but actions class is needed for key combinations, holding keys, releasing keys. This helps simulate real user keyboard interaction. In the sample script, if you see, I am typing text into a field, then I am pressing tab key using actions. This moves focus like a real user. I can also press enter to submit. So I will run and see how this works. First, application is loaded. I enter test at the rate example. If you see, I did not click on login, but still it went and clicked on login. Means it tried to press enter. That is the default behavior of this particular application. Whenever you try to enter password and press enter, it will automatically log in. So this is how keyboard actions executed successfully. So let me recap again. Keyboard actions simulate real user shortcuts. Use actions for key combinations, not simple typing. Keyboard actions improve realism in automation. I will close the application.